Unraveling Phrases, puzzle it out. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to unfold the meaning of a commonly used English phrase, puzzle it out. This phrase might seem a bit tricky at first, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it confidently in your conversations. When someone says they need to puzzle it out, they're talking about trying to understand or solve something that is confusing or complex. Think of it as looking at a jigsaw puzzle. You need to examine the pieces carefully and figure out where they fit to see the full picture. The phrase, puzzle it out, suggests that the process of understanding requires effort and brainpower, much like solving a literal puzzle. It's a metaphor that has been part of the English language for centuries, drawing a parallel between the mental process and the physical act of piecing together a puzzle. Let's practice how to use puzzle it out in everyday conversation. I don't understand this math problem, but give me some time, and I'll puzzle it out. The clues didn't make sense at first, but we puzzled it out together and found the treasure. To remember this phrase, associate it with the feeling you get when you're confronted with a challenging task and the satisfaction you feel when you figured it out. Whenever you're faced with a difficult problem, tell yourself that you just need to puzzle it out. And there you have it. You're all set to use puzzle it out in your next conversation. We hope this video has clarified the phrase for you. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.